Martyn from Asynt. I'm at the University of Dundee visiting the School of Life Sciences to find out more about how they've implemented DrySyn and CondenSyn into their teaching facilities. So I'm now in the Darcy Thompson Zoology Museum, and I'm with Stella and Melissa from the school here. Stella's a senior technician at the school, and Melissa is a education-focused senior lecturer in pharmaceutical chemistry. So thank you very much for letting me come along today to have a conversation. It's a great venue you've chosen for us to have a chat. Something nice and quiet I asked for, and this is fantastic.
Well, this building was built as chemistry building. It was first purpose-built chemistry building in the UK.
Wow.
That kind of named after Thomas Cornell had it built.
And what is the difference between coming to Dundee to do, say, a medicinal chemistry type degree, or chemistry degree, or 1 week of biology? What's special?
In Dundee, we have a unique offer in that sense. First of all of our undergraduate degrees are aligned to our research strength in the school. So we offer a biological chemistry and drug discovery degree that is in a context of cutting-edge research that is taking place in the school, specifically in the biological chemistry and drug discovery unit, which also includes the drug discovery unit itself, and also in other divisions in the schools, including the Center for Targeted Protein Degradation, which is a new division that just opened. So we're focused on developing new drugs for several diseases. So we're focused on developing new drugs in the field of immunology, cancer, in neurodegenerative diseases, antimicrobial agents, and also the school has a big focus on neglected diseases with partnerships all over the world. So our biological chemistry and drug discovery degree is really focused on developing student skills and developing students' understanding of these fields where the school is specialized in. And it has a unique flavor in that it is within the School of Biology. So there is a little bit less physical chemistry and inorganic chemistry, and there's a lot more of interdisciplinarity, and also students that study on the biological chemistry and drug discovery degree can also be exposed to biomedical sciences courses. So for students that have an interest to get into drug discovery without following a more traditional chemistry route, this could be an exciting opportunity.
So in that light, would I be right in that, with the links to the research groups in the university here, that the students actually working on real-world potential drugs and concepts?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. So students get introduced to the concepts of that drug discovery very early on. And we try also at undergraduate level to start teaching them already about some of the challenges that we face in modern research and drug discovery research. And then through summer placement, students get an opportunity to actually be part of our research groups, and as part of their final research project in their final year, they are embedded in these research groups, and they get to work on real potential therapeutics.
One of the things we were talking about before I came today was the sustainability and how proud you are in the department and the university as a whole and things you're doing to reduce your impact on the environment. And maybe you could tell me a little bit more about what's happening here at the university and the drive forward on that respect.
Yes, definitely. The university has an investment into reducing its footprint and having as little impact on the environment as possible. Our goal is to produce graduates that are very much conscious of the potential impact of their research
Yes.
and their activity on the environment. And so we're not only employing green initiatives in teaching, but also in research. And recently, the school has appointed also a green officer, so a sustainability officer, and that has been leading a lot of great work in terms of in making people more conscious about recycling in the lab and what kind of things can be recycled. So now we've started recycling pipette tips and the gloves and all sorts of things that potentially in the past were not being recycled. But as I said, we also try to embed a lot of green criteria in our research and in our teaching. So we're pushing for a move towards more environmentally friendly solvents in chemistry, adopt more green chemistry criteria when we do research, but also when we develop teaching labs. And this is where, some of the initiatives like purchasing heating blocks from Asynt or purchasing CondenSyn, so waterless condensers come into this.
Very good. All help.
Yeah, every little helps.
Every little bit helps, yes.
Yes.
So Stella, could you tell me a little bit more about the implementation, as Melissa mentioned there, the DrySyn blocks and condensing for teaching laboratories?
The DrySyn has been solving the problem. The problem we had was trying to heat and stir at the same time. We had old heating mantles.
Okay.
And we would use them with water condensers. We'd always get leaks in the water condensers. We tried all sorts of things to seal them up. We put cable ties on them to stop them dripping. But we were always having problems with them. They'd leak on. We'd have to switch the electricity off. We'd have to dry up all the mess. Another thing we tried had been oil baths and sand baths. But oil baths, well, you don't know what, quite smelly. People don't know what keep an eye on the temperature. That have been known to go on fire. So not things that you want happening in the lab, really. And sand baths, for problems with the sand baths, actually melting the tops of hot plates with some ceramic hot plates, and actually hot plates melted with the sand baths. So all sorts of problems.
Quite a few hazards.
So yeah, quite a few hazards. So the DrySyn and then eliminate that.
Well, thank you so much, Melissa, Stella, for inviting me here today to find out more about the school. And I understand you have regular open days every year for people or potential students to come around and look at this museum and the whole school itself.
Yes, absolutely. If students are interested and want to ask more questions about the biological chemistry and drug discovery curriculum, or in general, our biological and biomedical degree offers, we're very happy to welcome you on one of our open days. And you get to see the museum as well as an extra bonus.
Brilliant. Well, thank you ever so much. Really appreciate your time today.
Thank you very much.